Okay, I am in my home folder. I need to find where this keyword is stored in my file system, but I am not sure where to start looking. All files and folders, recursive search. Okay, this is a lot of results. Probably too many to look through effectively. I ran into this situation a lot when I was managing a stack of Splunk servers. I knew there was a configuration file I wanted to change, and I knew some keywords to find it, but sometimes I wasn't sure exactly where to start looking. This is where a little recon with grep can pay off big time. The solution I used was the grep-lowercase-l option to perform an initial sweep of my file structure to narrow my search, because this avoided a ton of clutter being spat out at my screen. The -lowercase-l option of grep simply lists the files containing the pattern you have searched for. It doesn't display the matches and their associated lines. Because of this, I use the mnemonic or memory trick list, as in list files, to help me remember what it does. So we'll clear our screen. Let's redo that same search, recursive search, all files and folders, except we'll add the -lowercase-l, and then we'll run this. Okay, so we still get a number of results, but we can see here, maybe I want to start looking under temp logs and see what's in there. So let's do a search with the count option now, which is the lowercase c option. And we'll see in these files underneath the temp logs folders how many hits of my keyword we can find. So we'll clear our screen again. Let's do the same search over again, except we'll take out the L this time. We'll replace it with the C to count the number of hits. And then let's do temp logs, and then this will be good. All right, we can see here we have 600 hits under example.tsv. We have 9 hits under file 4. So we'll go a regular grep search. Error temp logs file 4. All right, that helped us narrow down our search quite a bit. For everyday use of the grep command, the -l option may not be that useful, but when you have a lot of files and folders to look through and you are not sure where to start, the -lowercase-l option sure can be handy. That's it for this one. If there's a Linux topic you'd like broken down simply, clearly, and thoroughly, drop it in the comments. And thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next one.